welcome back to my channel, Muskrat Air Gunner. Today I got the Raw Mini out. We're going to shoot a group at 50 yards, then we're going to shoot a group at about 80 yards up there and see how good it groups with the 30 caliber 45 grain Diablo. I've got my Yokozuna on it, shortened it up real short there, but we're going to see what it groups at 50 yards and then it got 80 yards. It's sort of windy up there today, as you can see. Wind started blowing around pretty good, but we're going to see what the group's like. So hold on a second and let me go cut the other camera on. Okay, we ready to go. I'm going to shoot 5 shots at 50 and I'm going to shoot 4 shots at about 80 yards, 80, 81 yards, something like that. But we're going to see what we can do here. One more, then I'll. There it went. Okay, that was 6 shots there. So hold on a second and I'll take the camera up to 80 yards and we'll see what it does up there. Okay, now we're going to shoot 5 shots at 80 yards up there. Okay, let's shoot 2 more up there. I'll single shot these. Okay, and there it is, 80 yards. This is a Muskrat Air Gunner. Please like and subscribe.